Now moving to our question number 2, verify the following. Now what you have to do in this question, you have to just read out the statements and just solve the two statements, and at last you have to compare these both statements by using the RHS equal to LHS. So now we will firstly solve out this. So now what is 7 plus minus 3? So as you know, what will be here, multiply 7 plus minus minus, so it will be 7 minus 3. Now what is 7 minus 3? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is 4, so this will become 4. So now let us move to our RHS. 18 multiply 7. So now what is 18 multiply 7? We can multiply it. 18 multiply 7. 7 8s are 56. 7 1s are 7. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this will be 126. So 18 multiply 7 is equal to 126 plus. So now what is 18 multiplied by minus 3? Let us multiply 18 and 3. 8 3s are 24. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2, 5. So this will be 54. And 54 in negative because there is a minus here. So this will be minus 54. So now let us solve these both. So now if we here come by doing 18 multiply 4. So now what is 18 multiply 4? 8 4s are 32. 4 1s are 4. 5 6 7. So this will be 72. So 18 4s are equal to 72 as compared to. So now what is 126 plus minus? Plus minus minus. So let us subtract 126 from 54. 6 minus 4, this will be 2 and 0, carry here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This will be 7. So 26 minus 54 is also 72 in a positive, because which one is bigger? 126, and the sign in front of 126 is positive. So 72 equal to 72. LHS equal to RHS. So we had to prove it and we have proved it. So now let us move to our B part. Now moving to our second question. What is our second question? Our second question is minus 21 multiply minus 4 plus minus 6 equal to blah blah blah. I mean that you have to just solve these both LHS and RHS and then compare them at the last. So now let us solve it. So now here if I write minus 21 multiply, so firstly we will solve out the bracket. So this will be minus 4 plus minus minus. So this will be minus 4 minus 6 because plus minus minus. So this will be this, and there we have to solve out the brackets. Actually there is no need to solve out the brackets in this question because there is no plus or minus sign here, so you can simply write it as this. So now let us solve this out. So minus minus plus. So this will be 4 plus 6. What is 4 plus 6? 4 plus 6 is 10. With which sign will 10 come? It will come with a minus sign because 6 is bigger and the sign in front of 6 is of minus. So it will be minus 21 multiply minus 10. So now let us solve out the RHS. So what is 21 multiply minus 4? 21 multiply 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So this will be 84. So here we will write 84. In which sign? Minus minus plus. So actually there is no need to get confused that why I am applying here a negative, why I am applying here a positive sign, because if here this was a plus sign, then I would apply minus and use that property that which one is bigger, 21 is bigger, and the sign in front of 21 is minus, so the sign in front of 84 would also be minus. No, in multiplication you have to keep in mind the pairing of the negative integers. So minus minus plus, 2 negative makes a positive, that's why here it will be 84. So now let us solve out next. So now if you again noticed on the sign on this is also a multiply sign. So what is 21 multiply 6? We will multiply 21 and 6. 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. So this will be 126. So we'll write here 126 in which sign? Plus or minus? Minus minus plus. So this would be a positive sign. Now here we are with our last. So here if we solve out the LHS, तो हम LHS को solve करेंगे. 21 multiply 10, 0 1s are 0, 2 0s are 0, 1 1s are 1, 2 1s are 1. So this will be 2 1 0. So 2 1 multiply 10 is 210. In which sign? Here's a multiply, so it will be minus minus plus. So 210 in positive. So now what is 84 plus 126? 126 plus 84. 6 plus 4 10. 8 plus 2 10. 11 1 here carry and 1 1 2. So this will also be 210. So here it is also 210, and here we will write LHS equal to RHS. So this was our second part. Now let us move on to our third part.